I just want to do another video on my chainsaw. It's a Dereal 6220G. I've got it pretty dialed in as far as sharpness and running. I've been buzzing through this log. So let me show you how it's running in case you're thinking about getting one. After the first start, these things start really easy. Let's take a walk over there. I was going to try to make some lumber out of this one, some of them, but it's got so many splits in it, and my wife kept telling me, cut more firewood. But look at those nice, neat piles. It's buzzing right through this log with no problem, as long as I don't push on it too hard, put it in a bind. I was thinking I'll cut most of the way through, and then roll the log over, cut the rest of the way through. It's kind of a bugger rolling these big things, but it can be done. Maybe I'll cut part of it all the way through and make it easier to roll. But if you're thinking about getting one of these Chinese chainsaws, they work really good. I've had no complaints. Most of these, almost everything you see on the ground, these logs, I cut with a 16-inch electric chainsaw off of that tree that was 120 feet tall. When I got down to this area here, it's so thick I could never get through it with my 16-inch saw. And that's why I decided to buy the gas-powered saw. And I made a little jig. I was gonna try to do some beams and stuff. I still might, I haven't decided. It's kind of time consuming. My first one was a failure. My first cut's on the bottom. My jig wouldn't stay solid or tight, so it wandered all over the place. But my second cut wasn't too bad. Anyway, I just want to make a video because this baby is cutting through the wood today. I got it just, the sharpness just right. I cut this up. That's part of that. I cut that log into 16-inch pieces. Seems to be the popular size for firewood. This one, I'm going to roll it over part way and finish cutting it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to Driveway Garage for more videos. You never know what I might take a video of. Usually it's cars, but lately it's been odds and ends. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe.